Good day everyone. My name is Adithya Sirimalla from Enliving Technologies. Today I will be discussing how we can optimize Oracle and SQL Server databases in cloud, focusing on practical frameworks for achieving high performance on AWS and Azure clouds. First, the critical role of database performance. As robotics, automation, and data-driven system continues to expand, database performance become mission critical. Every milliseconds of the latency can influence real-time decisions. I will cover why optimization of database on modern cloud platform is not just a beneficial but it is essential. Foundational optimization techniques. Before we dive into cloud native tools, it is important to understand core database optimization principles like SQL plan management, AWR analysis, query store insights. These help maintain stability, diagnose bottlenecks, and track query performance over time. Next, cloud native performance tools. Both AWS and Azure provide powerful tools like AWR Performance Insights helps you to visualize and diagnose database load in real time, while Azure Intelligent Tuning uses machine learning to automatically adjust and improve the performance. Next, query optimization query execution. Identifying and resolving problematic queries is central to optimization. Using tools like AWR and Performance Insights, you can pinpoint slow and review the execution plan and apply targeted improvements like indexing or query rewriting. Next. Now we'll see into resource utilization and workload throughputs. Efficient resource management ensures maximum throughput, memory, IO, and CPU must be appropriately, while connection pooling helps reduce the latency in high concurrency environments. Execution plan stability ensures predictable performance. Using SQL plan management in Oracle and query store plan forcing in SQL Server, you can capture and enforce the optimal plans to prevent the regressions. Partitioning strategies for sales. Partitioning improves performance and simplified management. Whether range, hash, or list partitioning, it helps to target specific data sets efficiently and reduce the maintenance windows. Workload governance and resource management. Governance ensures critical workloads get the resources and they need. Oracle Resource Manager and SQL Server Resource Governance allows fine-tuned control over CPU and memory and sessions. Cross-platform benchmark. Comparing AWS and Azure performance through standardized benchmarks helps to determine optimal workload placement. Testing with KPIs like query response time and TPS gives clarity on trade-offs. Now we'll go to the strengths and of AWS and Azure. AWS offers deep visibility and flexibility tools like Performance Insights and Aurora Serverless. Meanwhile, Azure provides machine learning driven through hyperscale database that supports massive workloads. Cost management in cloud databases. Cost optimization is just as vital. Right sizing instance, committing to reserved capacity, optimizing storage, and setting up monitoring alerts are key strategies for sustainable cloud spending. Now we'll go through the emerging trends. We are seeing automation evolve with machine learning driven through serverless database, edge computing, and greener infrastructure that reduce the carbon footprints. Now we'll see the roadmap, how the roadmap will be. Start by assessing your current performance improvements, quick wins, established governance, and plan strategic improvements. Remember, optimization is a continuous process. We cannot stop on a day. It should continue as data grows or infrastructure grows. Finally, the takeaways. Integrated traditional techniques with cloud tools optimize across all dimensions and prepare for the future with adaptive architectures. Thank you. Finally, thank you for your time. I hope this session gives you the accountable insights into optimizing your database performance, cost effective and scalability in the cloud. Thank you.